Hi everyone, bonjour à tous. This is Katie from Sudbury's for Craft Corner. Today for Craft Corner, I'm going to show you how to make a galaxy jar. This is a really neat and simple craft you can make at home, and a lot of the supplies you can either find at your local stores, craft stores, dollar stores, you name it, and I will be naming off where I purchased mine if that helps you today. Let's get started. First, you are going to need a mason jar. You can use a smaller jar if you'd like, or I have large jars here, so that's what I'm going to use. You're going to need some Orbeez, as they're called, or water beads. I actually got these at Walmart. You actually get quite a bit in a bag. So you're going to need some water beads or Orbeez. We're going to need some glitter, some clear craft glue, and some food coloring. So to start off, what you're going to need to do is clearly make your Orbeez or water beads. So you're going to fill some of these into a container or a jar, let them soak for a couple hours so that way they're fully soaked. I've already done that ahead of time, so I have my Orbeez ready. I kind of made a little bit too much in one jar, but it's better to have more than less at this point. In my video that I seen online how to make this galaxy jar, they asked for you to have blue and purple Orbeez, but I wanted to try blue, purple, and red, and a couple of clear ones, just to make it a little different and see if it would still work different, right? So to start, you're going to open up your empty jar, and you're going to fill it with Orbeez, of course. So we're going to mix these around, because you're going to fill half the jar roughly. So we'll do half. I do want to put some clear ones as well. They're a little bouncy and can be a little messy, but that's okay. So we're going to do that to about half roughly. I'll add a little bit more of my other ones. So roughly half is what I seem to do. And then once you got half your jar filled, you're going to grab your craft glue. And you're going to put some craft glue in here. Enough just to say fill the top roughly. So some craft glue. Then you're going to grab your glitter. And you're going to put some glitter in there. You can put as more or less as you'd like. I'm just going to try and put a decent amount, because I love my glitter. So I think that should be enough. Then you're going to grab your food coloring, which I forgot to mention, you do need food coloring. You're going to grab the purple one. You can use blue as well, but I'm going to use purple. And you're going to throw a couple of drops in. Okay. And then you're going to grab some water, and we're going to fill the jar. And now we're going to add this to it. And we're going to fill it up. I might have put a bit too much purple, we'll find out. And I don't know if my glitter is going to work. We're going to see. I think it should be okay. So then we're going to add our lid. Close it up tight and give it a shake. And it should almost look like a night sky almost. Mix it around. Probably could add some more Orbeez, which I might, because I think that I added too much purple. Maybe, maybe not. I think I'll throw in a couple of more Orbeez. I have some extra blue ones and red ones, obviously, because I'm sure that obviously the water that's in here is going to absorb that more. But yeah, close it, give it a good stir, a good shake, and this is our galaxy jars. Every jar is going to look different. I think I added a bit too much glitter, but I love glitter to make it shine. So there you have it. Our simple, made-at-home galaxy jar. Pretty neat, and I'm sure out in the sunlight or like even at night in your bedroom would look really neat under a lamp. But yeah, I think it turned out really cute. I hope you enjoyed this craft, and if you try to make a galaxy jar at home, I'd love to see how yours turned out. Please comment below if you did, or send me some pictures. I hope everyone has a great day. Bye, everyone.